Magandang araw po. Ngayon po ay ipapakita ko naman sa inyo kung paano po ako gumawa ng cassava cake. So ito po ang mga kakailanganin natin. We need 3 cups of grated cassava, 1 cup of coconut milk, makapuno, ayan siya, evaporated milk, condensed milk, vanilla, 2 eggs, and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. At ito naman po ang gagamitin natin for our toppings. We need 1/2 cup of coconut milk, 1/2 cup of condensed milk, and then 2 egg yolks. Ayan guys, so ngayon mag-umpisa na tayo. I-mix lang natin lahat ng ingredients. So this is the 3 cups of grated cassava. Ayan siya. And then we put the butter. 3 tablespoons of melted butter. We put the egg. Ayan siya guys. And then we'll put a cup of coconut milk. Ayan siya. And then ilalagay na natin yung condensed milk. Napakadali lang nitong gawin guys. Yan lang, i-mix mo lang lahat ng ingredients. Nga pala guys, I grated the coconut manually. And then I used fresh coconut milk kasi hindi ako gumagamit nung nasa can. This is gonna be very creamy kasi may coconut milk na, may evap, at may condensed. So, ngayon ay ilalagay ko naman yung evaporated milk. Ayan siya guys. And then yung vanilla, a teaspoon of vanilla. Ayan siya. And dama kapuno. Ayan siya. Ilalagay ko siya lahat guys. And then we'll just mix it thoroughly. I'm going to use the wire whisk. Ayan siya guys, ganyan lang. Super easy. So, ayan na siya guys. This is mixed well. So, ilalagay ko na siya sa ating baking pan. Okay? Okay guys, so ito yung baking pan na gagamitin ko. So, i-grease ko lang siya ng this one, margarine. So, i-grease lang natin siya para madali natin siyang unmold mamaya. So, that's it guys. And ilalagay ko na yung mixture natin. Oh my god, this is heavy. So ayan guys, I already preheated the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. And then we will bake this for about 45 minutes. And then, after 45 minutes, ilalagay na natin yung ating toppings. Okay? Okay guys, so ngayon naman, habang naisalang ko na yung cassava natin, gagawin naman natin yung ating topping. So, ito na yung 1/2 cup of coconut milk. And then, the 2 egg yolks. Just mix it all together. And then, the 1/2 cup of condensed milk. Just mix it well. So that's it guys. We will set it aside. And then, ito na ilalagay natin mamaya after 45 minutes of baking. Para ito naman ito yung lalagay natin na toppings. Nga pala guys, sorry nakalimutan ko. Kailangan din pala natin ng cheddar cheese para sa ating topping. We need a shredded cheddar cheese para isasama natin doon sa toppings. Okay guys, so it's already 45 minutes. So, titignan natin. And then, ilalagay na natin yung toppings natin. Ayan, okay guys, so ito na siya after 45 minutes. And then ngayon, ay ibubuhos na natin yung toppings na ginawa natin kanina. Okay, so ito yun. Just put it on top. So, ayan siya guys. Then ngayon, ilalagyan natin yung shredded cheese. Ayan siya guys. So, that's it. Then, ibabalik na natin siya sa oven. And then, we will bake this for about 30 minutes. Okay, guys, so I will put it back. And wait, okay? And guys, it's already 30 minutes. So, i-check na natin. Ayan siya. See? Oh, looks good now. I think it's done. Okay guys, so ilalabas na natin siya. So ayan guys, ito na yung ating cassava cake. So we will cool it down completely bago natin siya i-slice, okay? You see guys, so that looks yum. Okay guys, so ito na po ang ating finished product. Thank you for watching.